Nice.
That is hot. Was we machined a custom length K&S piston out of their usual 308. Just basically cut out the middle section, remachined it, and pinned it with a little bit of Loctite. So that way you could have the correct working length and also have your adjustable gas system.
So you left enough relief there to allow the adjustability of the way the regular size piston would work.
Yep.
Awesome. Cool. Have we shot this yet?
Yeah.
Hello, Cat. There's the Galil pistol.
Oh,
Nice.
that is hot.